Hey birdies, yes, it's me. This could be a long 8-video reaction today to the group RBD. I have to give this group their dues. Their fans be coming in. There's other recommendation, but I need to get the RBD fans and people out the way because they will not stop. And I'm here for it. Oh, I need to stop drinking. Never. So this is RBD live in Houston. I think this song is called Fuera. F-U-E-R-A. And let me just start it because I'm here for it. Oh, this is my song. Da 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 da. I love this hair on her. I love the brunette. Oh, give her this tan look. Chris. Hello. Fuera. Yeah. Her body is sickening. Oh, Pantene commercial. Yes, Kristen. It's payback. You get a good, they give you good cardio, good leg workout right there. Oh, that's a nice shot. Fuera. I don't know Fuera. After that, I'm just mountain shit. That's my new thing now, is to do the Dumbledore clap. I was watching Harry Potter because I haven't only watched one Harry Potter, and then like years later my friend was like, you didn't watch it? I was like, no, I only watched one Harry Potter. And the reason why I watched the first Harry Potter was because of the fact that was my first year migrating here into America, and the first movie I ever saw was Harry Potter. And then the second one after that was Lord of the Rings, because Harry Potter and Lord of the Rings both came out in 2001. I think it was like a month apart or something. I think one was December or January, or both was in December. But I still remember that movie theater, that movie that I went to watch Harry Potter back in the day. They used to have the movie watch showing in the newspaper when people used to read newspaper, and I saw Harry Potter and I was like, oh my god, let me go watch it. So yay. So this was Fuera, RBD live in Houston. I really do like that song. I love the beat of it. I love the instrument of it. I love the live band of it. I love the guitarist of it. I love the drummers of it. I love everything of it. I really do like that song. So I want to say thanks to the one who recommended React to this. I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for giving me the recommendation. You guys really have made from my July the 4th when I started till now, you guys have really put a little bit of joy, extra joy in my life, because I would never even come on YouTube, to be honest with you. There's few people I watch on YouTube, and I rather binge watch them. That's what I tend to do, a binge watch. But before I start my YouTube channel, I start to rewatch stuff again, because before that I was like, YouTube, I don't have time. But starting my channel, I really get to be on YouTube. I really talk to one or two people on here around the globe, so this was very nice to see, and I want to say thanks everyone for that. I really do appreciate it. So keep the recommendation coming, and also please feel free to leave a link to whatever you want me to react to, a link to the video, and I'll get to it as soon as possible. As always, who can do you besides you? I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Adios. Yay, I got it right.